DJ Poppi has been doing the work and making quite a name for himself on the musical scene. Let's hear more about his DJing journey for this week's Mixmaster segment.
Hey, Poppi, area about 10 and go on.
From nothing to something.
How did music begin for you?
How did music begin for me? You know, so I was a little boy. I love music. Love music. Usually there's some big sound in my place up there like Stone Love, Swash. All of the big sound in my place come play. So, most lucky youth, I usually sneak out of my house and go listen to them and play. I come back here, I plug for my beat. I have to explain everything to my mother and say to her, I say, Mommy, you know it's a big man thing. I saw my way out. I said to my mother, you know it's music, my love. I believe in it. So I pick it up and try it.
Wanna be like me, like me. The kids wanna be like me, like me. Yeah.
I attend a school named Penwood High School. Got the drama. Me, I made the drama, I made the music same way. So usually bring my laptop to school. I bring all the money in my bag and catch it up one side and put a little, CPU part in it. I start playing some music for the school. I sometimes I start believing in it more. Or my sister start get a couple forward in the school. And since I pick up music, I kind of leg up on certain things. I may say, oh, this better for me. So I said, so bam now. I start show more interest in it. I follow on some other selector named Shrimpy, Steppy, Kenyan that are the same one I tell you about. You have flavor win, but they run them for a good while. Set so them put them on, but I play one song named Vitamin. I said, big up Thunder, I have to big him up. Because the man don't know music.
Yo. Hey, Poppi, area about 10 and go on. You know the man.
Like me. I know you wanna be like.
All Sunday, when them keep. Suck on me and learn music. So all Sunday and Soul to Soul, I love that. If you give me an old Sunday and Soul to Soul right now, rap that.
How did you come by the name DJ Poppi and what is your real name?
Alright, my real name is Andrew Cohen. The name I'm going to give myself was Pops. And a friend of mine said, no, Poppi a name, not a journal. Now they are King Tafari, not a Sizzler sound. I play on Sizzler sound for like 2 years I play on Sizzler sound. I'm learning a whole lot of experience on Sizzler sound.
Hey, Poppi, area about 10 and go on. You know the man.
What does DJ Poppi bring to the table musically? What sets you apart? What makes people want to hire you for a gig?
Alright, what really make people want to hire me still is my mixture of music. You see, I don't have to have an MC with me. My mixture of music make everybody love. Because once me I mix, there's vibes. Me in my community, I play. And then I play with 2, 5 and 15 bills. There was selector named Banker. So when him come around, Banker come to me and say to you, see you look at youth, you have talent. I'm going to take you up. So when Banker take me up, I see a brighter future.
Trying till I reach my destination, flowing like the birds and the bees.
I prefer early juggling. I'm not gonna lie to you, I prefer early juggling. So early juggling, keep my mind fresh. I play at Texas, I play at Connecticut, I play at Canada already. Those them 2 big countries I don't play. Banker make it possible for me right now. The first visa I get in my book is Canada.
Was that the first overseas gig for you?
First overseas gig for me.
DJ Poppi, blessed to have you today and thanks for
Yeah.
coming in. Respect.
Respect.
Chimney. Today my rise like the sunrise, my bright and my upright. No one can block my vibe.